So today we will go into addition of fractions for algebra. Let's start with a very simple example that you may have seen in primary school. I asked you to simplify 4 over 9 plus 1/3. Are you able to simplify? In this case, when you see two fractions, simplify meaning combine the fractions to become one fraction. My hint is to make the same denominator, meaning to find the lowest common multiple. So to make the same denominator, we can multiply 3 to the second fraction. And what we'll have is 7 over 9. Now we will do the same but for algebra. Let's look at question 1a. I have denominator 5a and 8a. What is the lowest common multiple? To make the same denominator, I should use 40a and 40a. So now, multiply what to the first fraction? Multiply by 8 to the first. How about for second? We multiply by 5 so that my denominator can become 48. So let's see what we have. I have 48, I have 15. I am adding the fractions together. So my answer is 63 over 48. And I can leave it in this form because I can't simplify it further. How about for part B? Part B, if you can't see what is the lowest common multiple, we need to factorize it first. 6b plus 9c, can you factorize it? You can. You can take out a common factor. What's the common factor for the denominator? 3. If I take it out, 3, big bracket, 2b plus 3c. So now with that, can I make in the same denominator? First fraction, I should multiply whole thing by 3, whole thing by 3, so that it becomes the same denominator. Now that I have the same denominator, I will combine my numerators. 12 minus 7 becomes 5. So answer would be 5. So answer would be 5 over my common denominator. Here will be the answer. Now let's look at the last question. I see the denominator 2 minus 3k and the other is 3k minus 2. Notice how it's actually the negative of each other. 3k minus 2 is the negative of 2 minus 3k. So to make it the same denominator, I can multiply whole thing by negative 1. Top, I'll multiply by negative 1. So let's see what I have. So I'll have this where the denominator is the same and my negative will become plus. So now I can rewrite the final answer. H plus 3h will give me 4h over 2 minus 3k. So this is the answer and I'm done.